Hello, this is Joe McVoy, and I've been an entrepreneur for 40 years. Made a couple $1,000,000, lost it, made it again, lost it again. Currently, I'm pretty much broke. So what we entrepreneurs do is we start over. So I am 13 sessions into the Partner with Anthony program, which is very, very cool. I'm going to tell you a couple things about it that are particularly relevant to me because I didn't have a lot of money. You can get started for $7, which is unheard of. I've been in programs like this before, several of them, that costed me, like 10 grand. But this one you can start for $7, and they have a very neat way of teaching where they do modules, take you through step by step each day a bunch of lessons for 30 sessions. They don't let you skip ahead, which is what I would automatically do. Go to the end, look at the last stuff, and then get nothing done. They make you wait 24 hours between sessions so you have time to actually do the steps. The thing that makes it also unique is it's all done for you. Anthony gives you the landing pages, the thank you pages, complete marketing funnels. You get like dozens of those, all done for you. He even gives you the emails to send out to get people to come to your funnels, and they even provide traffic. So it's everything. All you have to really do in this program is hook the stuff together. And then when you're hooking it together, they show you on the screen step by step how to do it. So that's why I say this is a really good thing for someone who's a beginner, also for someone who doesn't have a lot of money. So what I have got a very cool offer. I've been in these kinds of situations before. I've built teams of thousands of people and been up to the top of my company. So what I'm doing this time is the one thing that I always missed having was knowing what worked and what didn't, and sharing that information with other people who were where I was, which is just getting started. Now, if you have an email list of 1,000,000 people, yeah, you're going to send your emails to the 1,000,000 people and get rich. Yeah, well, I have an email list with 2 people, with 2 ex-wives on it. That's it. So, if you are in a similar situation, what we're going to do is everybody who joins through my link, which is under this video, what I'm going to do is we're going to share our results. Every time we buy traffic to a landing page, we're going to share what email we sent, what landing page we sent them to, what traffic source we bought our traffic at, and how it worked. So then, if we have 100 of us all sharing all our data, it's like we're mailing millions of emails, even though we're not, because we have a lot of people doing this. So to qualify for this, all you have to do is sign up through my link. And everybody who signs up through my link, we're going to set up a way of communicating together by emails and sharing all our data. And as long as you share what you do, I will share with you what I do and what everybody else does. So I think that's a really cool sort of bonus that would, I think, be very helpful. So I look forward to talking to you more. See ya.